project that is going on. There is a very good video that I will come up with in future, okay, on the same thing. But currently this is like a top secret type of thing that I want to keep with me, but soon I'm gonna be showing that account as well. Okay, don't worry. So but yeah, I will share the verified PnL because I've taken the same trades in almost these all these accounts, right? So yeah, I hope you will enjoy the video. Good luck.
Hello guys, so welcome to this new series. This is January 1. It's 10:40 p.m. currently, and हम लोग जो है will be discussing about all my traits. This whole series will be in English. मैं पहले बता दूं. तो let's put me let's put the camera there and let's start this amazing session. I'll be showing my positions, I'll be showing my emotions, I'll be showing a lot of things throughout. Maybe if I book my profit, I will share that as well. Everything. Disclaimer, do not copy anything. Disclaimer, do not copy paste any single thing in this video. Also, you might not be able to copy paste anything because I'll be making videos every single day, then we'll be combining them. Okay, I will make a intro video. I will make a proper intro video, and currently let's start the main analysis here. So currently you guys can see these are my positions right here, okay, in some of the stocks. Okay, let me refresh it, let me show you again everything. So yeah, only okay. So yeah, let's talk about that why I took into the stock. So most of the discussions I've already done. Okay, and this is the current positions. This is the current situation that I am in today. What I did, let's talk about that. So today, I did nothing, majorly because markets did went up. Okay, and you guys can see some of the stocks did recovered on this particular account. Nothing major happened on this particular account, but I have like good quantities in CMEC currently. Okay, so yeah, let's see what happens. CMEC is going. My targets will be in this range. This range. Okay, if it hits this range, I might exit. Okay, because that would be a good start for the overall year. Okay, I might not wait for the top, but let's see. Let's see what happens. If it breaches the this particular area with superpower like this, like a huge candle, like 20, more than 22%, like this, something like this, I'll wait for the 30%. Why not, right? But if it is getting resistance somewhere around that area, I'm ready to exit the stocks. Apart from that, you guys can see Manali minus 2% today. So you guys can see Manali. I'm on this particular loss today. Okay, the loss increased in Manali. Okay, but yeah, but I'm comfortable enough because I think that it is a good retracement. Okay, these are not big red candles. Okay, now this candle right here was a shocking candle, very sharp rejection, but again it went up. Now you guys can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rejection candles, but not pretty bad. Your slow and steady rejections. Okay, in a single day it can again come back to the top and again start moving up, so not a pretty bad thing. Again, paisa low right here, you guys can see good candle breakout, and what I'm doing is I'm just waiting. I added some more quantity in paisa low actually, so it's two now. So that's why the loss is pretty less. Okay, I added somewhere around this area and then again at this area. Why? Because there's a strong support as at this area, and the fall after taking the position, the fall is pretty weak. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 12 candles on the downside retracement basically. I'm waiting for this 20% momentum. The moment it will come, I will exit the trade. That's what I'm thinking currently. CMEC, I just told you, and the Gulf oil. Let's talk about that as well. So Gulf oil, with two here again in Gulf oil. So this is my target. This is my overall target. It's a monthly trade, so yeah, it might take like forever, maybe, to reach this target. But yeah, 25% is the minimum target that I'm preparing myself for in Gulf oil. Seeing the momentum as well, pretty good consolidation, very good consolidation here, sharp rejection, and then a very good beautiful candle again. Slow candles right here, again it can fall back to this area. Maybe I'm super comfortable, ready to see the stock at these areas as well. So if I'm comfortable here, I will be waiting till that area. So that is what my thinking is basically. That will be it for today, nothing else. Himat, if you see, coming back up, I'm already in this trade for like a very long time now. Okay, I might exit this trade because I'm not with a lot of quantity. You guys can see only 90. Okay, I might exit at my this position right here. Okay, I booked 10K last month in this particular stock. I was with 2 lakhs in the stock. Now I removed 1 lakh around in this stock. Okay, so if it comes 5-6% up, I'm gonna remove it. I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna take out the capital and we'll put it some other trade, other potential trade that I will be planning. Right. So that is what my thinking is. Infibeam, on the other hand, on this account 1 lakh, on this account 2 lakhs. So yeah, Infibeam, you guys can say that yeah, I'm with 3 lakhs in Infibeam, and I've booked some 30-40K profit already in Infibeam last month. Okay, thanks to Infibeam again helping me. It helped me in this particular area, and again it helped me when I entered around this particular area. Again it helped me to catch this 9-8% with some quantity booked, 3-4 lakhs, 3 lakhs around booked. Okay, then it fell. Okay, and now I'm on a minor loss in the stock. So yeah, I will be waiting for the 20%, the 20% supply zone. Okay, I'll be waiting for that supply zone. So this is all my planning till this particular point. Whatever the market, wherever the market goes. Okay, I'm pretty planned, pretty risk managed. Okay, I can take 1-2 more trades even this particular month. Okay, and if I take them, I will definitely update you. Now the upcoming videos like day 2, day 3, day 4, they might be boring as well. Okay, but that is how the trading is, that is how the reality is. So yeah, I'll be updating everything, and yeah, if I do this daily, it will improve me as well. That is the most important thing, because I'm telling myself that what happened, what's good, what's not at the end of the day, that is good for me. Okay, the day 2, day 3, the upcoming days, I'll be putting some daylight content as well. That means during the markets content as well, so that you guys might learn even more. So yeah, thank you so much. See you on the day 2.
Hello guys. So yeah, today is day uh, 3, and here's a little update about what's happening around. So Paisa low is what picked up today, 8%. I might add 1 lakh more in this particular trade if it closes somewhere around this area or a bit more above, but not if it closes around 106 or 7. Then I will just wait for the profit booking at 110 levels. That is what my plan is. Current plan is currently. This is the PF. Today it picked up almost 31,000 on the upside. So we are on plus total now. Okay, and let's see how the market behaves. I'll be adding something. Okay, CMEC looks great for the addition. This consolidation is what I like usually. Okay, and for the addition, not the entry I've already done. So addition wise, 1 lakh maybe in CMEC is good to go, and 1 lakh maybe in Pesalo is good to go. That is what I'm currently thinking. Okay, that is the max I would like to add, nothing more. So let's see if the closings are good closings. My rule says that the closings should be good. Okay, and if the closings are not good, I won't be adding. So let's see. I will update you guys near the end of the day today. Thank you. Hello guys. So let's update. So यहाँ पे update आप देख सकते हो. Currently we are 50k up for the day. Days PnL अपना 50k up हो चुका है. Let me refresh everything. Okay, and looks pretty good right here. अपने दो स्टॉक काफी अच्छे चल रहे हैं अभी. सीमेक बिकॉज ज्यादा क्वांटिटी से, सो इट्स ओके, बट पैसा लो with less quantity, more returns is what I'm saying. So we are 50k up today, and overall PNL 25k हो गया सारे स्टॉक्स अगर मिला लें उस हिसाब से. ठीक है, लेट्स सी कि क्या होता है आगे. I will definitely update you guys, will keep you in the loop. Today is day 3, and again telling कि day 2 पे कुछ भी नहीं हुआ था, so I didn't, कुछ भी रिकॉर्ड करने की जरूरत नहीं थी. There was nothing to record on day 2. Okay.
Hello guys, so let's begin our today's video. So we have quite a lot of updates today. So it's January and it's the 5th day of trading. Yesterday was the 4th day, and I haven't done anything yesterday. Watched the stocks, made a new watch list maybe. Right here in front of you, this is my current watch list. I'm planning to focus on these stocks. Let's see if I enter in anyone. Genesis looks pretty nice to me. Subex looks good, but then the candle is pretty big. Now, let's talk about some of the psychological part, some of the thinking that I've done today. Right here, you guys can see we are having almost 26-30k profit in CMIC going on currently. It's 2% up. Right here, you guys can see it's 2% up. But I have booked some of the profits, like I have booked Pesalo with 30k profits already. This is the order book right here. Let's refresh it. So Pesalo was booked around 106.5 something at 10 o'clock today, and I've taken more position, means I've taken some more entry in Manali Petro. So that's the position, 1 lakh more added to the already going 2 lakh position. So now Manali is with 3 lakhs overall that I'm in with. And right here you guys can see CMEC is with almost 30k profits and 30k today booked in this Pesalo. So overall you guys can say pretty nice the PnL is going. Okay, but I don't check PnL. I'm only checking PnL when I'm making these videos for you guys, so that you understand the psychology and everything behind. So still, doing nothing is the most important factor after taking the trades. You guys already know that I've been I'm already in these particular stocks. Let's talk about the other stock, other account, sorry. Right here Infibeam is with 5k up, with 2 lakhs already. In the past days I have booked, in the past months I've booked 60k profits in Infibeam alone. Okay, so this is above that. And then the last month December, I never made the video in December, but yeah, I booked some more 20k profits than in Infibeam again, so almost 80 there. And now Infibeam is going again going. I took another trade with 2 lakhs here, 3 lakhs and 1 lakh here, so overall 3 lakhs in Infibeam again. Let's see where the Infibeam stock goes, because I'm still pretty bullish on the stock. Seems like a multiple times hitting this particular area. My plan is 26 to 27, 26 to 27 is what my plan is. So if you check the percentage wise, so it's 10 to 50, 10 to 20% is what I'm planning here in Infibeam. Okay, so that will be it. And Pesalo, where I exited, let's talk about that. Pesalo, so yeah, right here you guys can see Pesalo. So I exited it around 106.65, right? So that was my target. Initially I put my target at 109, but then I exited right here. Reason being that there was multiple rejection candles here, although today it went up again good, but then I found out there was a hidden line here that I stretched from here, touched this particular closing, both the closings joined, and then exited at this area. Rather than, see, the psychology says that it came till this area and I'm getting 30k, right? So I went with 2 lakhs, so that is the 15%. Now right here if you check 2%, right, so 2% is how much? Nothing, 4k more. So 34k, or either you will be getting 34k today, or you won't be getting that 34k. Instead you will get a zigzag movement, because it's already a one side move. Now again it might move down, and if the markets are bad it might even move to this area. So I'm losing all the profits, right? So that's why I exited. Maybe it give a better candle tomorrow, but who cares about that, right? So rather than going for the 4% here, oh sorry, 2%, 3% here, okay, I skipped it. So if it would have been like more than 5% area, then I would have jumped again, but the resistances are near. So my plan was to exit rather than to hold on to the stock. So that was my plan. So yeah, that is pretty much it. If anything else I book or do, I will share you with you guys. I hope this series is helping till now, and if you haven't liked, do give it a like. We are aiming for 200 likes in this particular video. Thank you. So hello guys, and let's update the trades and everything. देखते हैं क्या what's happening in the market. Let's see. So quite a good gap up today, and we can see some good heat in Infibeam. Manali recovering. We have already booked 30k this month. Okay, in the past 9 days, and CMEC is okay as per the thinking, the price action and everything. The second account you guys can see Infibeam actually like up 20k total in both the accounts combined. 25k it went, and CMAC as well 30k today on the charts and everything. So if currently I book everything, I might have booked almost 1 lakh for the month, but that is not the focus. See, so this is the most important learning here, that it's not about the money. The money is always the secondary, right? So but yeah, initially if I would have been like 2023 Apurv, I would have booked everything, would sit on my hands and find other trades. But I know what my setups can do, okay, and thus I wait, I give them time, and I know what it means to achieve the targets, and then relax for some time after reaching the target, the complete target and everything. So yeah, that is pretty good, that I will say. The So yeah, I will keep you guys posted. And yesterday I did not make any video. Reason being, yesterday was Monday, and there was nothing happened in the market. Literally everything went sideways. But today, yeah, seems like a nice gap up. Seems like good momentum in a lot of stocks. If this momentum retraces back, because yesterday the market fell actually. Okay, so even after the fall, my stocks were sideways. So let's see if today it moves up, comes down, my stocks are sideways. Then also I want to see, or if the whole markets get red, I want to see what's the impact on my stocks. Let's see, so that I note down that in different type of market situations, my portfolio, how the portfolio is behaving actually. Okay, but always remember, the money is secondary. When you are when you become a profitable trader, it's always the secondary thing. Okay, if you keep the money primary, uh, even if you are like a profitable trader, even if you know that your setups work and everything, then things will be not so good for you in the future. Because if you want to go to the stage 2, this is how you're going to think. Okay, you should see big profits, but you should not book them. Okay, because then what it gives you edge, it gives you some sort of mindset that, yeah, I've seen these profits, okay, I don't care about him, something like that. I hope you get it. And yeah, let's see, we'll keep you guys updated. So hello everyone, and today we are closing at a really good PnL. Although I have not seen the PnL, but yeah, it would be great as per the current market conditions and everything. Although the market closed at day's low, still the stocks kept their flow. It was a stock specific day, so this is day number 7, I guess, and went pretty good. Let's see what I can do tomorrow. If the markets are sideways or stable or a bit on the downside, not a lot, only a bit on the downside, that we might again flourish on the higher sides and we might double our profits, whatsoever is going on. Okay, so yeah, let's see what good points I get from this. But the last video that I post, the previous video that you guys just watched, after that time I haven't seen the PnL. Okay, so this is like a thing with me. I have to see the PnL in order to show you guys the PnL along with the trades that I've taken, so that the legitimacy of everything maintains, right? But yeah, if you ask me, as a trader, it's really difficult to check the PnL. So that was the only one time I checked my PnL, and then I closed it, shut down. Okay, so you have to be having this strong. Okay, for that, do not look at anything like PnL or anything. These are secondary things, remember. So yeah, let's see you. Hello guys, so yeah, there is one update. It's 11, and yesterday I did recorded the video, but I don't know where the video is. There is some issue from the Streamlab software on which I record everything, and I'm really sorry for that. Yesterday was a pretty good day. If you see, I will definitely share the verified PnL and everything at the end of it, along with the links of verified PnL, although, but showing the emotions, raw emotions, would have been really great, right? So yesterday I booked almost 1 lakh, above 1 lakh profit in some of the stocks. CMEC I booked 1 lakh above profit, and it would have been a really great way to show actually. But let's see, I was not able to find the video. If my team is able to find the video of that particular video that I made, it would be really great. Right now, let's see what's the other things. You guys can see right here, everything's gone. Okay, CMEC and everything, 7 lakhs. I went with 7 lakhs in Siemens, 7 8 lakhs in the end. So 10 here, 5 here in Manali. So almost 15. It went to 20. So 15 20,000 profit in Manali. Petrochems is going on, and this account we have some other stocks as well, right? So yeah, currently with these stocks, and if you see, the major quantities are in, like, the okayish quantities are in Manali and Gulf Oil currently, with 4 lakhs both in each of them. So yeah, that is my current plan, to sit with these stocks. And yesterday was a pretty great day, if you ask me. Okay, I needed some confidence trade, so I booked it. Otherwise I would have just I would be sitting in the trades. Okay, so I thought that this is a good area to book. I started booking from this area 1160 around, and then I booked at 1200 completely everything, because this is a solid resistance that I saw. It consolidates here, okay, and gives you some solid consolidation here. My current planning is that I needed some confidence trade for myself. So yeah, I went with 7 lakhs here, added 1 lakh here around this particular area. Yesterday I was not able to short, but yeah, the total 8 lakh was been removed at this area. Now you guys can see that video, or see the like the PnL of it in the verified PnL section, but there is no point just going through the PnL, right? The whole emotions thing, I'm really sorry for that. I don't know where the clip is now. Okay, let's hope that my team gets find the clip in the laptop somewhere. So yeah, right here what I'm seeing is a great candle, a great rejection in this particular stock. So thus I did not went with the whole quantity, so I went with 5.5, I guess, initially at this particular area. This was my entry around these areas, and I was sitting here. Okay, then I added more when it closed 6.5. Okay, then in this consolidation, when it's moving up like this, I added more. On this candle, when it was coming out of the mother bar, I added more, and finally deployed, executed everything at this area. So yeah, 10-12 days I had to sat for that 1 lakh profit. Really good. Now we are like almost how much, 1.4, I guess, up, and still we have some 20-30,000 more profit going on. So looks pretty good to me. 1.7 almost unrealized plus realized almost PnL. But yeah, the point is that the price action and everything. So yeah, the setup went good, and this use like my whole the major target was 1300. So if you see that how much is 1300 from this area, it's almost 10% more, I guess, 10-12% more from this area. So that is my plan. That was my initial plan, but then I thought that let's have a confidence trade, because last month I had a total PnL of minus 30k. Okay, and that was because of my stupidity and some difficult work that I did on myself, basically. So yeah, before prior to that month in November, I made like almost like more than a 3 lakh profit in a single month, and that was pretty nice in the month of November. But yeah, let's see. And before that also it was going pretty good, but yeah, December was pretty bad, so I needed this one confidence trade. Okay, because there was a consistency that I was going with, and then this consistency broke. Okay, so I don't want to jump directly to the bigger profits or anything like that. I just want to go slowly and steadily. Okay, and yeah, those who are just here for the PnL and everything, you guys can always check the verified PnLs and everything in the comment section, but that won't give you anything. The raw footage of me here speaking out, it will tell you. And believe me, yesterday when the profit hit 1 lakh, okay, I used to like shout previously, and used to be really happy and this or that, but yesterday it was like this. I booked it, I announced it on my group. This is my side group where we all discuss a lot of things, a lot of fun happens, a lot of big things happen. You guys can see right here, let me show you. People post their profits here as well. Okay, pretty good, right? And yeah, no calls, nothing, no suggestions, advices are given, please. Nothing that is not appropriate is not happening here. Okay, only potential ideas and everything are shared. Main point again, that there was no emotions attached. Basically, I just booked it and I said, yeah, great, let's find the next setup now. So that was my intention. So I was not like again and again seeing it, posting it anywhere. I don't want to create a big fuss out of it. Okay, it's just a part of the game now. Okay, I'm more focused on my next trade, more focused on my how this trade gave me the profits and everything. So that is like a more important deal to me now. Okay, so yeah, if I find the video, I will definitely put it before this video. Then you will be able to understand, yeah, this had to do something with the missing video. But yeah, I did recorded it. Now I'm not able to find it. Okay, so yeah, I'm really sorry for that, at least. But yeah, it was a good day yesterday, and I did uploaded everything in the like a verified PnL and everything, so you guys can check that as well if you want to. Okay, thank you. Hello guys, so I'm starting the recording. Let's see what's happening in the market. So today there was a huge gap down. Okay, and there is a reason I'm making this because see, you guys can see that, yeah, I did have this Zerodha bank, small bank finance with me. Okay, I thought that it might also open because all the other banks were affected, but these were the major banks actually. Okay, so it's not that much affected, and yet it is making a small candle here. So nothing much here on Zerodha Bank. Here the price the overall PnL is also not that bad. You guys can see Manali Petro finally taking support from my area again. Okay, if it actually gives a good momentum, it closes above these areas, then probably again a higher high would be there. Okay, and I might be exiting in that higher high in Manali Petro games. Okay, let's see if that happens. Okay, that is the best case scenario I'm telling. Right here, Himat Singh, if you see, I was only with 90k or some 96k or something like that. Now this is giving some loss here, Himat Singh ka. Okay, 11% down from my position. Okay, although this is like more of a you guys can say long-term type trade that I kept here. Okay, that I will be adding, but there was no chance of adding in this particular trade at all. Okay, it was just sideways. There was no upside momentum. It was not even able to break 185 here, and then now it is trading at the lows at this area. So if you see that this is a proper support line that the stock has made here, because it might take support here. Also Gulf, if you check, I've taken some Gulf here at this area, also in this account, also some Gulf, the major Gulf in this area. So around 3.5 lakhs of Gulf around has been taken. Let's see. Okay, it was trying to breach this area. Now if it is able to continue the same process, if it is able to cross this area, it might go like 7-8% more, or maybe 10-11%. Let's see what market gives me. Okay, in that area. Okay, in Gulf. So that is my plan, that is my current plan. So currently I'm like profitable trade is Gulf. All the other trades, Zerodha is sideways, Himat on a minor loss, and Manali is on a sideways minor loss type thing. Okay, nothing much, and sideways minor profit in Gulf as well. So this fall has nothing to deal with our mid cap, small caps. Basically, you guys can see mid cap, small caps are recovering again. So nothing much for mid cap and small caps. Let's see how the market ends today and everything. Okay, on the other side, I'm also planning some trades in GM Financial. I'm also planning some trades in CMEC potentially. If CMEC already have booked great profits in CMEC, you know, right? But still, there is always potential. So if it comes down to this particular trend line, something like this, okay, my plan is to enter somewhere around this area on a discounted price, and then I will again focus at this area. This is my target, the overall target 1350 is my target in CMEC. Currently it is trading at this area, but if you ask me why you're not entering at the current prices, because see, then the market can fall this much, and again it can fall this much. So I'm not ready to take this much risk. Either I'm going to go with I have to go with like less amount, okay, and take this much risk, but I want to go with more amount with taking lesser risk at this area, so that I can take the maximum on the upside. Okay, something like that, if at all it comes. If it is not coming to that area, I'm not going to enter in a trade where I've already made the one of the good profits, one of the big profits of this month, right? So I'm not going to ruin it at all. So GM Financials, if you see, this is also a trade I'm planning. So it's a great gap down. It's taking retest somewhere around this area. It might even break tomorrow's high, yesterday's high also at this point, seeing the potential of the stock, seeing the volumes and everything. But if it is consolidating in this particular area, okay, or a bit up even, okay, in this area, it closes on weekly time frame strongly, okay, then I'm definitely gonna jump into GM Financial with good amount. Okay, because volumes are good, consolidation is good, daily breakout has been done, but there is this wick, so I'm waiting for a closing here, sharp closing, because I want a weekly time frame closing. Okay, because the resistance is on weekly time frame, not on daily. Okay, so daily is done, but weekly is also there, so it can come back down va easily. So I'll wait for the weekly Friday closing. So that is my current plan. Okay, also Mass Financial, this is a stock 1 2 3, this is the third time it is trying to move up here and breach this top candle. It still got a lot of space on the higher side, definitely gonna enter this as well. Very small stop loss of 6% 7%. Let's see when I am going to enter this stock how much stop loss at that time. Okay, currently you guys can see 15 16% is the space. Let's see how the markets behave, let's see how the stocks closes. Okay, only then we'll be able to understand that whether we have to enter it or not. So Friday closing will be important. Today Wednesday opening was already bad, pretty bad enough to hit all the stocks, but yeah, we're not hit at all. I can say we are already on profit, maybe some days PnL. And again here the days PnL some minus, being Zerodha Bank, it was on good profit yesterday. If you see, this went down 2%, so yeah, 2.2, so 4 right here. Okay, so yeah, everything is sideways. We'll check now. I don't like to check PnL again and again, and in the past some days nothing much was happening, so I thought let's make a video now. Still nothing is happening, but still I made this video because of the fall, because of the gap down. Okay, so anything that gives me a hint to make something maybe out of it, I'm gonna make it. So risk reward is managed, that's why I put this message also on the Telegram, that the risk management is everything, guys. Okay, so people who are trading rashly here in the market with naked options and everything, okay, they'll be hit today pretty badly. When they'll understand, they will have a good lesson in the market that yeah, risk reward ratio, risk management, okay, how much you're going to lose, all these things matter more than your setup, your indicator. Thank you so much, see you in the next video. So hello guys, now we are going to see that what's happening in the market. You guys can see we are up 20k in Philatix, and overall PnL is 30k. Philatix is going pretty nice. Let's see what's happening in the other account. Gulf is up in this account, but I've also taken Gulf in my Apu's account, in which I am with the main quantity actually. Let's see some more stocks like SIS. I'm currently focusing on this particular stock. 3 4 nodals and a breakout, good stock. NIIT is on my radar, but let's see if I take them or not. Chances are less. Spencer's looks pretty good to me, but I think it will take some time. Mass Financial also good, but there are multiple hidden lines. And finally, CMEC is going even higher. Although I have booked the profits in CMEC, but still the trade is going pretty good. Now, focusing on Philatix, I am 20k up in this particular stock. My target is this particular supply zone. Okay, and let's only focus on this particular stock-wise price action. Okay, I will keep you guys posted if I find anything else. Thanks a lot. So hello guys, let's update the idea. Let's see what's happening. So I took Steel Exchange, and it's been a while I've been updating the ideas and everything. This is the current portfolio. Steel Exchange, it's 29th, so we still have 3 days. Steel Exchange, JM and Philatix. Okay, it's going pretty good, all three. 36k in all three of them combined currently, but not even one of them is hitting target. They're in the middle. Okay, I'm waiting for at least till, let me show you, till these areas. Let's see how much momentum I can capture in this particular stock. Manali is recovering nice, and I've taken this stock as well. Ward Wizard on a weekly time frame on the other account. So this is the other account. Right here it's on a profit, but yeah, the Himatsi Zerodha I might exit or enter, I don't know, but Himatsi I've been in this stock for a long time now, and still the SL is intact, and so you guys can say that it's kind of a positional trade now. Okay, I will just keep on sitting, nothing much is happening in the trade. Philatix on the other hand, morning momentum, morning first 5 minutes were good. Now it is sliding a bit back down. and Zerodha is again sitting at a support line. Okay, so whenever there is a support line and there is a big candle, so I always wait for the reflection. If even if it is coming back to the CMP, I might exit this one thing. Zerodha, let's see. Hemats, I told you guys about it, and JM, my target is around 120-125 range. So this is my range for GM to exit. So around 6 to 10% is my range from the CMP. This is the current GM financial PnL. Okay guys, so yeah, that's it from my side currently. If anything happens, any updates or anything, okay, I will update you guys about the stocks and everything. Okay, these are my current stocks that I'm focusing on. Spencer's, Uma Exports. Uma Exports I might not enter because of a lot of cons are there. Okay, it's not a really healthy breakout that I saw in this particular stock, so might not enter. But yeah, Spencer's looks pretty nice to me. Okay, we'll definitely update about Spencer's to you guys. Overall, the market is really bullish today, and in all of the stocks, if you see, some are going pretty nice, like Steel Exchange, right? So yeah, if I book anything or anything happens, we'll update you guys, and that is it from my side from today.
Let's go then. Let's just go and see the world and just show them what it really means to live life golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, cause we're golden. They can't ever break us down, cause we're golden. They're about to see us glow, cause we're golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, cause we're golden. They can't ever break us down, cause we're golden. See us glow, we're golden. Got the devil in your...
So hello guys, I hope you all enjoyed this particular video, and in the end I just want to say one thing, that this was a really tough decision for me as well in order to come up with the series and everything. Okay, but I will come up with more refined videos for February, and more detailed, better quality in terms of what values I'm learning and everything. I know you might not be able to grasp a lot of information. I don't know exactly. Let's see what the feedback says. I tried my best, but still improvement can be done, right? So I'll do improvement from my side. I hope you guys will keep on supporting like this, and if you guys have not followed me on Telegram, link is in the description of this video, and definitely give this video a big thumbs up. We are aiming for 200 likes. Thanks a lot. See you tomorrow.